Okay, greetings, welcome back. I'm back on with the ISS. It's the last pass I'm going to be getting today. It's M0YKS live on YouTube, and we've got the SSTV software online once again with the FT847, and it's this ISS SSTV transmissions that we're on with at the minute from the cosmonauts on board. So I'm just waiting for the next transmission to start. And we've got the frequency set to 145,800, and this is the reception frequency on the 847, and the antennas are getting onto the space station as we speak, tracking the ISS's pass as it comes across us right now. And there we go, we've got our first transmission coming down. Let's move it to the nearer frequency, which actually at the minute, as it approaches, is on 804.5, and we should start seeing a picture on our screen as it decodes. Better put it on the RX screen. So I had it on the history, so I missed the first little bit there as I reset it. But we'll get a nice clear image as this pass takes place over Italy Oscar 9-3 or thereabouts. So yeah, we're going to have a decent elevation on this particular pass. Should get a good strong signal. It's going to be 51 degrees, so that's looking quite promising. So yeah, I've not received this particular image yet, so it's very nice to get this in the series. And I don't think the series is going to be lasting too long, just a quick event, which fortunately managed to catch. Didn't catch much of it yesterday, but looking like we're doing okay today. So we keep an eye on this one. So yeah, the space station is just coming up to the United Kingdom now. You can see it in the bottom left-hand corner, and the picture's coming through nice. So we've got quite a bit of time left. So hopefully we'll get at least two decent passes, two decent images, should I say, transmitted on this particular pass. So yeah, January 2021, local time 17:03 UTC at the shack of M0YKS here in Yorkshire, England. Just going to down tune the frequency slightly now, get ready for the next transmission, which will probably take place in, I would say, about a minute's time. So just put the squelch on whilst we wait for that. And that particular image came through nicely using the MMSS TV software, which you can see on the screen. So yeah, as usual, got the same setup as normal that I'm operating from. And like I said on the last video, wideband FM is the optimum reception mode rather than narrowband for the SSTV images, and most of the satellites actually, especially the weather satellites, you get a much bigger band of reception and a better quality image coming through. So the antenna's moving still, the red light's flashing on the G32 interface, which is controlling the G5500 rotator control. Obviously you don't need all this stuff to receive these images. Some other people use antennas such as egg beaters, which are very effective, and other various antennas, even arrow antennas held by hand, or simple 145 Yagis pointing up into the path of the ISS. That will work quite nice. So let's hope we're going to get a next transmission as we continue to monitor this pass from the International Space Station, whilst the cosmonauts are busy away transmitting the images for us guys down here on the ground to receive. And the software's got quite a decent bit of a footprint left, showing me on SAT PC32 that we're in range for quite a bit longer, another 5 minutes, and the elevation at the moment has peaked, gone past the highest point, so we're now at 32.5 degrees elevation, and the azimuth position is 110 degrees, which is all shown on the bottom corner of the window. The frequencies you're seeing at the top there just for if I was controlling the radio for the repeater. Right now I'm manually, excuse me, I'm manually controlling it and bringing it in to line up the Doppler correction. So let's have a quick look at this one as it comes through, live in the shot. So yeah, interesting to see the little fade out, and one of the guys following the videos left a comment saying that he had the same fade out exactly in the same place. So I was talking about possibility with Pennine Hills, but possibly it's something different, and we're getting a little bit going on there. So who knows what the real issue is? Because that other guy who left a comment located a good couple of 100 miles to the south of my location on a flat area. So obviously possibly issues from the space station itself. However, the images are still coming through nicely here on the ground station of M0YKS. And we've had this picture on the previous pass, satellite, still coming through okay, but a little bit of signal fade on this one. Just going to have a quick look and see whereabouts we are. So yeah, slightly different path to last time obviously, but a lot more fade out than we were getting on the first pass earlier, with a lower elevation. So always interesting to see which passes work out the better for myself. And I noticed that satellites going in the south to north position, that direction upwards, they tend to be the better reception on my side. Whereas the ISS tends to do a sweep across from the west to the east. Anyway, we're still getting a picture, quite successful, just a big fade in the middle there. So I'm not too sure if I'll get another transmission within the time that cosmonauts have got the SSTV set. Let the transceiver cool down in between each transmission. Obviously it's constantly transmitting, so it's going to get warm on the power output. But doing a great job. Appreciate all the hard work that goes into organising the events. So thanks for watching another SSTV production with M0YKS on the ISS, the International Space Station. Hope you've enjoyed it, and we'll certainly look forward to doing it again. So in the meantime, stay safe out there, keep checking out the videos, and we will look forward to doing everything another time. From M0YKS, now signing and clearing.